Hello students, good morning. Hope you are all doing good at your place. This is Ramesh Sharma and welcome you again on this one mark solution series in accountancy class 12. So let us start. One mark solution series quiz 2 accountancy class 12. Question number 1. What is the rate of penalty applicable for delay in refund of application money in case of rejection of application? आवेदन की अस्वीकृति के मामले में आवेदन धन की वापसी में देरी के लिए लागू दंड की दर क्या है? द राइट आंसर इज 15%. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Under which head security premium account is shown on the liability side of balance sheet? किस शीर्षक के तहत सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अकाउंट को बैलेंस शीट की देयता पक्ष में दिखाया जाता है? द राइट आंसर इज reserves and surplus. Next question. In which account depreciation on fixed asset is shown by non-profitable organization is shown? गैर लाभकारी संगठन द्वारा स्थायी संपत्तियों पर घिसावट किस खाते में दिखाया जाता है? The right answer is income and expenditure account. How would you treat closing stock when it is given inside the trial balance? जब अंतिम रहतिया ट्रायल बैलेंस के अंदर दिए गए हैं तो कैसा व्यवहार करेंगे? Closing stock is given inside the trial balance. The right answer is shown only in balance sheet. Next question. Under which type of activity issuing of shares comes in cash flow statement? किस प्रकार की गतिविधि के तहत शेयर जारी करना नकदी रोकड़ प्रवाह विवरण में आता है? The right answer is financing activity. Next question. Balance sheet has no debit or credit side. Why? बैलेंस शीट का कोई डेबिट या क्रेडिट पक्ष नहीं है. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों है? The right answer is because it is a statement, not account. Next question. In what ratio the existing goodwill is written off at the time of admission of a new partner? नए साझेदार के प्रवेश के समय मौजूदा ख्याति किस अनुपात में अभिलिखित की जाती है? The right answer is old ratio. Next question. By whom subscriptions are given to non-profitable organization? किनके द्वारा गैर लाभकारी संगठन को चंदा दिया जाता है? The right answer is members of the organization. In case of reissue of forfeited shares, the balance in shares forfeiture account transferred to which account? जब्त किए गए शेयरों की पुनः निर्गमन के मामले में शेयर हरण खाते में शेष राशि को किस खाते में स्थानांतरित किया जाता है? The right answer is capital reserve account. Next question. Which statements are mainly included while preparing financial statement? वित्तीय विवरण तैयार करते समय मुख्य रूप से कौन से विवरण शामिल किए जाते हैं? The right answer is income statement, that is profit and loss account, and financial statement, that is balance sheet. Next question. The amount of shares issued to promoters for their services will be debited to which account? प्रमोटरों को उनकी सेवाओं के लिए जारी किए गए शेयरों की राशि किस खाते में डेबिट की जाएगी? The right answer is goodwill account or incorporation cost account. Next question. Which type of ratios are calculated to know the short-term solvency position of a business organization? किसी व्यावसायिक संगठन की अल्पकालिक स्थिति जानने के लिए किस प्रकार के अनुपात की गणना की जाती है? The right answer is शीघ्र अनुपात, quick ratio. So these were some questions, MCQs. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Do like, share, and subscribe this channel to get the notification of my new videos. And if you have any query, please do comment on the comment section of this video. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you.